So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I went to the mall and I went to Build-A-Bear Workshop and I got something. And they had a sale while I was there, which was 2 for $36. So me and my sister each made one, and I got this little reindeer, and I don't know if you can see. Let me get really close, maybe a little bit more light would help. Can you see the little gold pieces in her fur? So she's really pretty, and she did come with a name. Her name is Glisten, and she comes with her own little collar, and it does not come off, but I'm going to carefully cut it. Do not do this at home, so I can take it off if I want to. And she was part of the buy to get for $36. So I got this, and my little sister got a horse, and she has a gold little nose, and now you can see her for a little bit better. And she has some blue, or some purple, it looks like, eyeshadow. And she's just really cute, and her hooves are gold as well. And then this one is silver, and it says BAB for Build-A-Bear. And then, yeah. So that's all on her little hoof. And there's two ways you can get them. You can get them to where they stand up by themselves. And then you can also get them to where they're just soft and squishy. But I wanted her to be able to stand up. And then so I got her. She'll stand right here. And then I also got her a little cape. It's blue, and it has a little bit of purple. It has little holes for her antlers and her ear, and then it has a little hole for her tail right there, and it's Velcro. And I forgot to tell you, but on Glisten, right here, there's a little battery pack in there, and once you turn it on, if you press her ear, her antlers start to light up. Isn't that cute? I think it's adorable. I think that's very adorable. And she's just really soft. And I love her so much. And her ears are a little droopy, but that's okay, you know. Like, if you really wanted to, you could probably get a way to get them to stand up, but I don't really care because she's really cute, and I don't think she needs, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. She's just so cute. Okay, so back to her cape. Whoa, it's okay, stand up. There you go. So then back to her cape, and this one has a hood. And then it's super cute, so let's put it on her. So we're going to, whoa, got her. Okay. So okay, sorry. Technical. Okay, so now you can see her. Okay, so what you're gonna do, so here is the hood, so we're going to make sure this is on her head so we know where it is. And then we're going to bring it around, and we're just going to put it on there. And then we're going to pull this back and pull her tail into the little space that it has. So now she has her little thing on. Super cute. And then we can put her hood on. we can put her ears into the things and then her antlers into the little holes. And her ear. And then I'll put the tag back. I will take the tag off. And there she is. Isn't she adorable? She looks like she's ready to go. And this cape was $13.50. So a little bit on the pricey side, but that's okay because she was half off. So, and we got 2 of them for $36, and then the cape was $13.50. So we spent $50. So my mom just called me, so I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, my mom needed me. So here she is, and I just love her so much. She's so cute. So now we're gonna take her hood off so that we can get to her thing. And I keep this, don't worry guys. And there's a sticker that has, it's a little press sticker. So we'll put that back on her ear. Little light up ears. She is so cute. And it looks like it's dark, but my light is on. Like, that's how bad my light is. This is just my lamp that provides light for me. Okay. So, she's so cute. Okay, so we're going to take this off. Okay, so now it's out. And now, just to keep this stuff together, because I like everything to be together, I'm just going to staple it together really quickly. See? Never coming apart. And this is very special, so I'm going to put it away somewhere very safe. I'll put it with my box for my tablet and my phone. Okay, so now time to get her thing cut. So we're going to take her cape off, and we'll put it back on her at the end of the video. But we just have to cut this off very, very carefully. Got some scissors, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So, sorry, you guys might be able to see what I'm doing, just so that I cannot ruin it. Okay, success. Well, it's a stapler. Oops. So it is now off. Now I can put it on mine. No, it's too small for me. So as you can see, you can't even tell that anything was ever cut off. And now we are going to put the light back on this, and then we're just going to pull out the little pieces of string. That's simple. And now we can put it back on. See? It's like it was never taken off. I probably will keep this off most of the time. I just don't like how big it is. But I will keep it. So I'll put it with her little ears at piece thingamabob. Don't know what it's called. So now we've got Glisten. And she came with the name Glisten because That's what was on her little collar. And on here, it's golden glisten, so I think they might have like a silver glisten, like the same, I don't know. But please like, subscribe, share this video, and comment down below if you think she's pretty or not. Bye guys!